Hello friends, today I'm going to talk about Leetcode 56 merge intervals. Given a connection of intervals, merge all overlapping intervals. This example, the intervals has a start and end point, and we are going to merge all the intervals that has overlapping. And for this one, we have the 1, 3, 2, 6, 8, 10, 15, 18. We merged at 1, 6, 8, 10, 15, 18. And for this, we have merged 1, 5 because they have overlaps. And let's show an example here. Here, this example, we can. For example, we have the 1, 3, and 2, 6. Eight, 10, 15, 18. We can draw a line for these intervals. For example, this interval we have the 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then we have the, for example, here is 18 here. We can see that this is the 1, 3, it covers over here, and 2, 6, it covers over here. 2, 6. What happened? 6. And then 8, 10. And 15, 18. We are going, so we can clearly see that these two will be overlapped because when we draw this picture out. These two, right? The first two, and so we can see that why can we get this? Because so this is actually sorted with by the start end. The problem is that not sorted, so we have to sort it first. By the start point of these intervals, and then we can traverse these intervals one by one. So it's like the gradient method. That is, so we set a base intervals. The first base intervals is the first interval 1, 3. After we merge them together, we will assign the merged intervals and assign the values to the base intervals and continue to reverse the length intervals. So this is the ideal. So basically it's ideal. It takes O(n) time to traverse these intervals. And also another technique is to get it to judge how to find where two intervals overlaps. For each intervals, we can see that we can see that if the start and end, also this end, if this if this start and end, right? One, this is start second interval, this is the end of the first interval. If they have overlap, that means that this start is smaller than this end. For second end is smaller than the first interval start. So we can and quickly to find out whether they have intervals. So we can just to figure out the best maximum value of the two starts, and also the mean values of the two intervals ends. And if this means interval is smaller than this maximum is smaller than that means the two intervals overlap. Then we write the code now. So first we have to judge whether there is a corner case sort, and then iterate. And first this is the corner case processing. Then we return empty here, and then we sort the intervals by the start point. We define the base intervals for every time we convert we merge or not merge, we will put the base intervals into the answer list. So this is the answer intervals. We can figure out how many intervals. And the first base interval is the first one, so we travel from the second interval and have an interval. This interval here. And we judge whether they overlap or not. We'll get the maximum start. So then, if they overlap, there is the maximum start is smaller than the mean end. This is mean they overlap. So we combine them together, merge them. So we get the interval equal to the, we get the minimum of these two intervals start and the maximum. The maximum of the two ends. Here is if they do not overlap, then we put the the base intervals into the answer. And at the final base interval, because for the last iterations we have to consider whether this is base intervals because it may not put in the answers. So this takes n time. Let's run the code here. Oh, what's going on? Something is wrong here. It's thought it should be correct, and this get forced into answer. Start from oh, I didn't update the base interval. If they do not overlap, we should update the base interval using the current intervals. Okay, it works now. Let's test the other test case. It works. I made it.